How's the body treating
Things
you?
are doing much better.
That's good.
The only thing I have is when we flip over, right back here, like high up on my back, there's it's like bruised or something. So when you feel it, take a look at that.
Kind
but
of
otherwise,
like down through
right,
here?
yeah, right down there, yeah, right in there.
Yeah.
I don't know what, more in the center.
More in the center.
Like right there, yeah.
Is it tender when I press there?
Yeah, it is. And I have no idea. It just started yesterday.
Is it more to one side or the other,
No,
or
it's
more
right
in
the
the
center.
center?
It's right in that center area, yeah.
Okay.
It's like, I don't know what I did to myself.
So let's check the neck, and then we'll work on that. So C2 up top. That's okay when I press up here? Good. And then we're going to check lower. Down through here. If anything, I feel that
Right in there, yeah.
more so than the left side.
It's always the right side.
The strong side. So right there, we're going to do an adjustment. And a little push right here. There it is.
Yep, I can feel it.
That one cleared my neck. So is that better when I press
Yes,
there?
it is. Yeah.
And the left side is still behaving?
Good.
Good. So now we're going to do a little traction lower. Just like that. That's okay when I do that? Okay. If I hold this long enough, you'll be 6 feet tall.
Yay.
And one more below that. Okay. So next, let's go on your stomach. I want to check this spot out more so. So I don't see bruising, but it may feel bruised.
It just feels like that, and I can't figure out what I've done differently. Yeah, right in there, wow.
Have you been reading or anything lately?
Well, yes.
So
Maybe
prolonged
that's it.
periods, if you're looking down especially, can put a lot of stress back through here.
Okay, that could be it.
So let's do an adjustment for that. Right through here, we're going to get extension. Little push right through here. That's okay?
Okay, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Nothing fell through the front?
No, nothing. Sorry.
Okay, good. All your bones are still there?
Everything's there.
And leg length is looking pretty good today too. Any discomfort when I'm pressing through those?
No, that's fine.
And how about down through here?
No, that's good too.
Nice.
Yeah. I've seen big differences.
That's good. Is that okay when I'm pressing through those? Good. And here.
Yep, that's okay.
Okay. So low back is in good shape. We're going to leave that. And let me have you sit all the way up. Do you still feel that discomfort in the upper back?
Not so much, no. I mean, and when I do that, I can feel it a little bit, but
Okay.
no,
More up through here, right?
now it's down lower, little, right in there, yeah, right
Okay.
there.
Is that tender when I press here?
Yeah, a little bit,
How about this side?
not so much.
Not so much on that side.
Right side.
So give yourself a hug. We're going to get some motion through this rib head here. The ribs articulate with the thoracic spine right here. Sometimes they can get stuck. So we're going to go right here. And turn your upper body to the left. Good. Doing okay?
Yeah.
And then come all the way back to neutral. Okay. And you can relax the arms. Okay, do that same motion again. That bothered it before. Where you kind of
when
brought
I
your
went
arms back. Yeah.
No, that's amazing. It feels good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nicely done.
Excellent. Your spine cooperated.
It's just amazing how the body works.